Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download, install and start playing LEGO Fortnite on your PC or laptop. Now you do need to have the installer Epic Games, so I will leave that in the description below. Click on that, make sure you install Epic Games first. Now to find the game and actually get access to it, once you're on this page here and you've logged in, made an account, go to your search for the store. So you click on the store and then go to search store, type in LEGO. Then you're going to scroll down to where it says here LEGO Fortnite. Click on this. Now it is free, so you're going to click on Get on the right hand side over here. You're going to agree to the terms and conditions and click Accept. Now from here it's just going to be loading. Now on the right hand side here you can click Place your order. So then it says here thank you for your purchase. Go to View in your library and then this is going to load. Now to install it you need to click on it. You need to select the drive you wish to install it to. So I'm going to change this to my storage drive. So once you've selected the drive you wish to install it to, click Install. Then it's going to start downloading, agree to the terms and conditions. It's currently queued, so we're just going to wait for that to finish. So as you can see, 1% installing, currently downloading. Now just as a quick side note, it does need to install Fortnite first before you can install LEGO Fortnite. So it's obviously going to install this. So as you can see, it's installing. And then after this installs here, if you don't have Fortnite already, it's then going to install LEGO Fortnite. So please make sure that you have enough room on your drive for both of these applications. So once that has downloaded and you've double clicked on it, on this page here, once your game loads, you're going to go down to the bottom left hand corner where it says here Fortnite. You're going to click on that and then that's going to load this next page. And then from here you can then select your world and whatever worlds are available, then you can double click and then you can start playing. That is all. If you found this helpful, make sure you like and subscribe and I'll see you next time.